project is Space Invader game. The enemy is coming and shooting. Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Ilya's World. Today my project is Space Invader game. You have already seen the first part of the game. The first part of this video link is in the description. Let's see the coding of this full game. First we will see the quick recap of the first part. Starting the game with when run, setting background, making use of my Space Invader and the start button in this location. When right pressed, Space Invader moves east, left means west. If you press the space bar, the bullet will come to shoot the enemy. Let's see the remaining coding of the full game. When you click the start button, remove it with this code. Make an enemy sprite at this location, setting its size to 40. This sprite will go towards south direction, making a line sprite at this location and setting its size to 670. When the bullet touches the enemy, the bullet and the enemy will be removed. Again, the enemy sprite will come from this location by this code, setting its size to 40. Obviously, it moves towards the south direction. When the enemy reaches the Space Invader borderline, it will remove Space Invader enemy and the bullet and the game over sprite will come. Come on, let's play the game. Now I'm going to start the game. The enemy is coming, I'm shooting. The enemy is touching the borderline, the game over. Hope you like this video. If you want to play this game, the link is in the description. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed from Wiingy Robotics.